Hey there, fellow internet dwellers. Today, I want to talk about something that I know we all love, making money while we sleep. Yes, you heard me right. Who wouldn't want to wake up to some extra cash in their bank account? Now, I know you're a bit overwhelmed. And you'll say, but making money online takes effort and time. Fear not, my lazy friends, because I'm here to tell you about 4 easy ways to make a lot of money online while you sleep. So grab a snack and let's get started. First on our list is affiliate marketing. Now, if you're unfamiliar with affiliate marketing, it's basically when you promote someone else's product and receive a commission for any sales made through your unique link. Sounds easy, right? Well, it is. All you have to do is find a product that you believe in and start promoting it to your followers or audience. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't have to worry about creating a product, handling customer service, or any of the other headaches that come with running your own business. One great platform for affiliate marketing is Amazon Associates. All you have to do is sign up for the program, find a product that you want to promote, and start sharing your unique link. Every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you receive a commission. It's that simple. Next up is passive income through investing. Now, I know what you're thinking. Investing? That sounds complicated. But fear not, my lazy friends, because I'm not talking about actively managing a portfolio or day trading. I'm talking about passive investing through index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs. All you have to do is set up a brokerage account, choose a fund or two, and let your money do the work for you. Over time, your investment will grow, and you'll earn dividends without having to lift a finger. One great platform for passive investing is Robinhood. With Robinhood, you can invest in stocks, ETFs, and even cryptocurrencies with 0 commissions. Plus, they offer a feature called Auto Invest that lets you set up automatic investments on a weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly basis. So, even if you forget about your investments for months at a time, you're still making money. Third on our list is creating and selling digital products. And now you'll ask again, I'm not creative or talented enough. Fear not, my lazy friends, because there are plenty of digital products that require 0 creativity or talent. For example, you could create a simple ebook by compiling information from the internet, or you could create a printable planner by using templates found on websites like Canva. Once you've created your digital product, all you have to do is sell it on a platform like Etsy or Gumroad. These platforms handle all the payment processing and digital delivery for you, so you don't have to worry about anything. Plus, once you've created your product, you can sell it over and over again without any additional effort on your part. Last but not least, we have dropshipping. Now, dropshipping is a bit more involved than the other methods on this list, but it's still a great way to make money while you sleep. Basically, dropshipping is when you set up an online store and sell products without ever holding inventory. When a customer places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. You'd never have to worry about packing and shipping orders yourself. One great platform for dropshipping is Shopify. With Shopify, you can easily set up your online store, import products from suppliers, and start selling. Plus, they offer a variety of apps and tools to help you automate your store and make the process even easier. So there you have it, folks. 4 lazy ways to make a lot of money online while you sleep. Now, I know some of you might be thinking that these methods aren't truly lazy because they do require some initial effort. And you're not wrong. But compared to traditional methods of making money, like working a 9-to-5 job or starting a brick-and-mortar business, these methods are pretty darn easy. Of course, I do want to offer a word of caution. While these methods can be a great way to make money, they're not without risk. So be sure to do your research and approach these methods with caution. Making money while you sleep is a dream that many of us share. And while it might not be as easy as it sounds, these 4 methods can certainly make it a lot more achievable. Who knows? You might just wake up to a pleasant surprise in your bank account. What do you think about this topic? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next video.